elbow. At the age of 58, he looks better than I will ever.
ये गन हमको दे दे ठाकुर, ये गन हमको दे दे ठाकुर.
The scene is, we get hold of the hand, he's doing like this. There is nothing stopping him from doing this and shooting. Nothing. वेलकम बैक. आज हम बहुत दिनों के बाद एक फाइट सीन का पोस्टमार्टम करने वाले हैं. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू ब्रेक डाउन अ फाइट सीन फ्रॉम मिशन इम्पॉसिबल फॉलआउट. यस, दिस इज द बाथरूम फाइट सीन. Hands down, one of the best scene, best action, best in the world, no doubt. But today we are going to break down that fight scene in more technical way. Like, let us compare those scenes with reality. What should you do in that situation? How should you deal with it? इससे पहले कि आप कहें कि तू कौन होता है टॉम क्रूज को क्रिटिसाइज करने वाला, इससे पहले हमने एक वीडियो बनाया था. वी वर रिएक्टिंग टू अ फाइट सीन ऑफ टाइगर श्रॉफ, बट हियर इट इज टॉम क्रूज. वैसे ही हमारे लिए आउट ऑफ सिलेबस था, ये तो आउट ऑफ औकात हो गया है. और दूसरा बंदा हेनरी कैविल, वो तो सुपरमैन से तो क्या ही करना कंपैरिजन अपना. लेकिन फिर भी रोटी का सवाल है, वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ द सीन ऑफ द इंस्टाग्राम ऑफ द कंट्री ऑफ द एक्सेलेंट. Elbow.
गदर सनी देओल.
Okay.
ये गन हमको दे दे ठाकुर, ये गन हमको दे दे ठाकुर, ये गन.
ओके, सो इन द फर्स्ट सीन यू सी, ये हमारे भाई साहब जो हैं, जो टॉयलेट पे बैठे थे, और देयर आर टू गाइस. सो द अप्रोच टू फाइट मल्टीपल ओपोनेंट शुड बी लाइक यू गेट रिड ऑफ वन ऑफ देम एज फास्ट एज यू कैन, राइट. तो इसमें like the first two punches, if you pay attention, they're really close to your body and he's going bam bam. This guy is the real deal. ऐसा पंच अगर लगता है किसी को, and in this scene those two guys are not ready, they're looking somewhere else. If you get hit by a punch like that in the stomach, it will take time to recover from that. And what is the good thing he does? He kicks Tom Cruise, which is not good. I didn't like it because I like Tom Cruise, but still he got one person out of the bathroom. And now he has to deal with only one. But that one person is double his size. And he's Superman. That our guy, the Asian guy, is hitting Henry Cavill with some elbows to the ribs. If they landed properly, they can actually stop a person for some time. That's actually one of the only few options you have when you're fighting somebody double of your size. Let's be real. Size matters in a fight. That is why they have weight categories in tournaments, right? There is a reason for that. So only way you're getting out of that situation is use some kind of vital points, ribs or the eyes or something, but that is not easy, as you will see. So as I said, it is not easy to hit somebody in the ribs unless they want you to hit them in the ribs. So he's defending, so nothing happened, and our Superman has his arm around the neck of the Spider-Man. So obviously, if I am in a situation like this where my arm is around somebody's neck, I want to take that person down, and that is what happens over here. He tries to take him to the ground, but this guy, since he is Spider-Man, he will do a backflip. A very traditional technique to the neck, widely used in martial arts like kung fu and karate. My natural approach would be to elbow somebody. If I have Henry Cavill down over here, I don't want him to get up again because I know that man is double of my size. Just because I literally have one of his hand, there is no guard, he is lying down. So what I would do is I would throw some nice elbows to make sure he does not get up for some time. But our Spider-Man over here does a attack to the throat. He couldn't have done that if he was not from Krypton. So now we know Spider-Man is from Krypton. You will see the Spider-Man throwing some side kicks. There is an exchange of all kinds of elbow strikes in between Tom Cruise and our Kryptonian Spider-Man. So it is actually very realistic because many of the military personnel, like it is shown, right? There's spy and military and people like that. They don't go through a lot of spin kicks and training things like that. They want to get their job done. So if they're training in weapons, they learn the major strikes and things like that. They learn only the effective stuff, the most easiest to execute and the most effective. That is what they learn. So elbows and knees and punching and some weapons, some knife, that is what most of these people learn. So that is what we can see. It is reflecting in the fight scene, like they are in their characters. Elbow. And here what you see is when he is fighting with Ethan Hunt, what happens is the Superman comes from the back, grabs him by whatever he gets and throws him in the air towards some mirror. मतलब अगर इतना बड़ा आदमी आपको, मतलब बड़ा I mean size में इतना बड़ा आदमी अगर आपको फेंकना चाहे तो उठा के वो फेंक सकता है. There is no doubt in that. But you see the way he landed on that mirror. It's not real, but still, if you land on some surface like that, I think you are going to break your ribs. And look at the way how he comes down from the other side. He is also going to break his knee. Pay attention to his legs.
There goes the ribs or back, and you see how he's landing. You pay attention to the right leg, folded back and fell on that.
जाते हुए उसने अपनी पसली तोड़वा ली और उतरते हुए उसने अपने घुटना तोड़वा लिया. Right? It will seriously affect a person, but this person stands up because he is a very tough guy and he is from Krypton.
गदर सनी देओल.
सो लोहे का डंडा या फिर पाइप लेके हमारे क्रिप्टोनियन स्पाइडरमैन टॉम क्रूज की तरफ वार करते हैं. एंड द करेक्ट अप्रोच हैज बीन यूज्ड. इफ वेपन लाइक दैट इज समवन इज स्विंगिंग अ वेपन लाइक दैट एट यू, जस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ द वे, हट जाइए, उसको छूने की कोशिश मत करिए. यूट्यूब पे जो आप ऐसा वेपन डिसार्म सीखते हैं वो नहीं चलता है. सो दिस इज एक्जैक्ट सेम थिंग. व्हाट टू डू? Go back, get out of there. That is what Tom Cruise does in this video, so it is correct. But suddenly पीछे से सुपरमैन आ जाते हैं और उसका हाथ बांध लेते हैं. Now see, Ethan Hunt gets a chance to throw a punch, but he throws a punch to the body. I would not do that. ये बंदा वैसे ही इतना खतरनाक है. ऑलरेडी आपके दोस्त ने अगर उसको पकड़ा हुआ है. स्ट्राइक द फेस. हेड इज द मोस्ट वल्नरेबल पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी. And this is so beautiful. I have never seen a technique like this in a movie. Like मैंने पहले कभी नहीं देखा है. And now he has the other arm also, right? And you see that pipe has a kind of bend like an umbrella. So he's using that. Use what you have. That is what we get to learn from this fight scene. Positional awareness. If this position with somebody's arm around my neck is not comfortable, try moving around. Try going the other way. Try putting your legs behind the other person. Change positions in such a way that it is good for you. An awareness of what you have with you or what you can use from the surroundings. जो मिले उसको इस्तेमाल कीजिए. अगर ये जगह अच्छी नहीं है तो कहीं और जाइए. अगर ऐसे पकड़ा है सही नहीं है तो थोड़ा हिलिए डुलिए, कुछ तो करिए. Okay, so now you see we are having the same weapon and he's attacking, and what our hero does is he's trying to block it. The ideal thing, if somebody is coming with those exaggerated moments, like कोई एकदम ऐसे खींच के डंडा अगर मार रहा है, क्योंकि at the heat of the moment में लोग वो वेपन वाली टेक्निक्स भूल जाते हैं कि बॉडी को क्लोज रखना है, लोग भूल जाते हैं, लोग ऐसे खींच के मारने की कोशिश करते हैं. जब ऐसा कोई आपको अटैक कर रहा है तो बेस्ट चीज है कि आप रास्ते से हटिए, बिकॉज यू विल सून फाइंड एन ओपनिंग. When somebody is swinging a weapon like this at you, the best thing to do is try to move away, try to slip out of that way so that you can find some opening, then you can punch here or punch here, do something. But here if you don't have an option, use your forearm. तो अप्रोच यहाँ पे जो यूज करी है एकदम सही है, राइट? क्योंकि सर पे वार खाने से अच्छा है फोरआर्म, राइट? इट्स बेटर टू गेट हिट ओवर हियर देन ओवर हियर. So at first our guy wanted to choke Tom Cruise like this, but it ends up somewhat like this. And that thing also has a curve over here. So our Spider-Man is trying to pull in this direction and Tom Cruise is trying to block somewhat like this. You are better at pulling something like this than pushing something like this. It's not that easy to use this. अगला बंदा पीछे दोनों हाथ लगा खींच रहा है, तो at some point you will have some difficulty और कुछ ना कुछ आपके गर्दन के अंदर घुस सकता है. और यहाँ पे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल भी है. द क्रिप्टोनियन सीज सुपरमैन कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मिरर. He sees that mirror and he turns around. This is something to be noted when you're fighting multiple people. Keep them all in your line of sight. एक बंदा इधर है, एक बंदा इधर है, ऐसा नहीं होगा. दोनों को एक साथ लाइए किसी तरीके से, या फिर खुद भागिए, या फिर do something. The worst thing you want to do is get surrounded by them. And the other cool thing is, of course, the best thing about this fight is Henry Cavill reloading his biceps. तो टॉम क्रूज जिन्होंने बुढ़ापे को अनइंस्टॉल कर लिया है, उन्होंने ऐसे दीवार को लात मारी और खुद पीछे गए. पोजिशनल अवेयरनेस, अगर ये नहीं चल रहा तो चेंज पोजीशन, समथिंग विल हैपन, समथिंग गुड विल हैपन और समथिंग बैड विल हैपन. एट सम पॉइंट फाइटिंग इज also about luck. Superman is coming towards him, and if you see this clip in slow motion, Superman is already very close. To Spider-Man, but Spider-Man is still looking at Tom Cruise. Okay, so Tom Cruise is dealing with some kicks, and I see he has landed a good punch to the throat, which will work. It does work. If you land a punch to the throat, it will work. But is it easy? No, it is not. It is difficult even to punch somebody's head. Head is something very big, right? Sir big hota hai. Lekin then also you miss. But our Superman was almost going to punch him, right? He's almost ready with a right hand punch.
That guy is this close to getting knocked out.
He's almost there. He's just one step closer to punching Spider-Man in the face. And as I said, size matters. If a person like that is punching you, you're not getting back from it. He comes and stands and then starts fighting. Okay, no problem. But still, you see over here, he has landed some significant shots, ekdam punch, ekdam close mein. But in a real fight, always keep your hands up, protect yourself. If you're punching, दूसरा हाथ ऊपर होना चाहिए, ये बात दिमाग में रहे. लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से फाइट यहाँ पे रुक जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि the number of significant shots he has landed, like. So if someone as big and strong as Henry Cavill punches me in the ribs and face almost at the same time, somewhat like, I'm not getting up. मैं उधर ही सो जाऊंगा. But our guy over here doesn't seem to have a problem. He just eats up those punches like it is nothing, and then he blocks a punch and goes for a kind of chop to the throat, which may work. But still, after those punches, I think it is difficult. Now we see a back kick. Undoubtedly one of the most powerful techniques in all of martial arts. If done correctly, if landed correctly, अगर लग जाती है ये वाली लात, तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. इट इज अ डेंजरस टेक्निक एंड इट डज इट ऑलमोस्ट वेरी गुड लाइक समवॉट लाइक it has power, right? So that technique will work 100%, but you need practice. And again we can see this technical thing over here. He never wants to deal with one person at a time. He was like this. He kicked Tom Cruise and now he wants to turn back. Superman is down and he's looking at Tom Cruise. Like you want both of them to be in your line of sight. मतलब सही है. आप इस सीन में विलन से भी सीख सकते हैं, सबसे सीख सकते हैं, राइट? Because the scene looks very cool. The whole fighting sequence is 5 star, no doubt. Great choreography and one of the most realistic looking fights. But still, the other person can still see it, and he is standing over here like this. Usually, it doesn't happen. They get ready, and he's running like this. If you run at somebody like this, you're not safe. You'll get hit somewhere. Worst case, you will get kicked, somewhat knee kicked in the face. It is not good.
ये गन हमको दे दे ठाकुर, ये गन हमको दे दे ठाकुर.
Over here you see them wrestling with guns. This is a wooden thing I made just for practice. Okay. Like we have to understand there is a joint called as the wrist. The gun is pointed at Ethan Hunt like this. And all he is doing is he is using both his hands and he catches the wrist, both the wrist of the villain who is having the gun over here like this. अगर मैंने आपके ऊपर ऐसे बंदूक तानी हुई है और आप मेरा wrist पकड़ रहे हैं, there is nothing stopping me from going like this and shooting you like this. Like the scene is you get hold of the hand, he's doing like this. There is nothing stopping him from doing this and shooting. Nothing. But still, the scene is super cool. 5 stars, one of the best. कितनी बार बोलूँ मैं? So that's all for today. Breakdown of a fight scene. If you want to watch more videos like this, you can just comment down in the comment section and you can just give some recommendations of what movie scenes we should do if you like this series. If वरना हम वापस चले जाएंगे वो ट्यूटोरियल में, उतना भी काफ़ी है. गरीब. Like this video, subscribe and press the bell icon. Karate TV online class, link is in description. Follow me on Instagram, link is in description. Color with dhoti, you can order online, link is in description. छोटा चैनल है हमारा कराटे टीवी वाले भैया, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन.